How to put your best selfie forward? Ophthalmologist Dr. Melissa Toyos and celebrity makeup artist Vincent Oquendo say the eyes have it.
I mean, let's just face facts. It's all about the selfie nowadays. So if you can minimize your eye redness and take your best selfie, you're a step ahead.
Eye redness is caused by any type of irritation, inflammation, and really any part of the eye. There's so many different causes.
Their new go-to product, new FDA-approved Lumify.
It's absolutely fabulous. It feels like I'm cheating because it just helps me have the perfect canvas for any makeup look. It gets rid of the redness, and I can put any color I want on my client's eyes, and it just helps my eye makeup looks look brighter and more radiant.
Lumify is uniquely formulated, has products that have never before been available for eye redness. So it helps to selectively reduce the redness while also alleviating the problems that we've seen with other redness relievers like rebound redness and also loss of effectivity over time. My patients love Lumify because it works almost immediately within a minute and it lasts up to 8 hours. I love it because it has a proven effectiveness record and safety record with over 6 clinical trials.
It was developed by eye doctors and comes from the eye care experts at Bausch & Lomb. Where to find it?
You can find Lumify online, in select physician offices, and at major retail stores. You can also visit the website, lumifydrops.com.
How else do we make the eyes pop?
What I've been doing lately is I've been using an eyeliner and I've been smudging it along the lash line, and then I take my favorite bright colored eyeshadow that matches it, I set the eyeshadow look with it, and it creates a long wearing, bold eye makeup look.
Now go ahead, take that selfie, you're ready.